So we are inside Make in India Vande Bharat train, which will ply on the Udhampur Srinagar Barapula rail link, which will connect Jammu to Srinagar. It will be an all-weather connectivity. Let us start with telling you about the comforts that it brings for passengers who will be traveling in this train now onwards. So see, this is the seat. It is a recliner seat, and you have some buttons here also. You can just push the button and the seat will recline. It will make you more comfortable. If you are tired of sitting straight, you can just push it behind and push the button, and then you will be feel yourself more comfortable. And if you are tired of putting your foot on the floor and your legs are feeling tired, you can use this footrest also and make yourself more comfortable. So this is about the comfort. The seats are really very nice, beautiful blue colored seats, very nice cushion on the seats that makes you more comfortable, and some very unique features over here. See, uh, it says that these are the seats that can be rotated. If you are a family, you can rotate and sit face to face with your family, or you can choose otherwise and not face the other passengers. You have charging sockets here under your seats, like we are charging our phone right now with this USB cable, which we are using the USB socket, where you can use this USB charging point here. And if you have a plug point, then you can use the plug over here, and you can charge your equipment, whether it is a laptop or your phone or something. Now you have another unique feature here. This is the lever, and if you have a family, you are traveling with your family, you can just push the lever and press the lever and the seats will rotate. So right now this much of seat is rotated, and if you want to have a look at outside view, you can put and place your seats like this. Otherwise you can rotate it further and sit face to face with your family. So these are the seats that can be rotated 360 degrees, or you can put it like this if you don't want to sit face to face with your fellow passengers. Now, the other important features is, as you can see, there is a CCTV camera. Or such, there are many such cameras inside the train, which takes care of the safety and security of the passengers. They keep a watch on all the activities that are happening inside uh, the train. And you can see this is the alarm button. If you find yourself in some emergency situation that is alarming, that you can use this alarm button. So you can see advanced heating system is there. So they are using silicon heating pads that will prevent freezing of water tanks and bio toilet tanks. And they are also using heated plumbing pipelines, so that water is not freezed in the pipelines during winter months. Heaters in Indian toilets, which will provide air for vacuum system and lavatories, enhancing passenger comfort. Auto draining mechanism, enhanced driver comfort, because what happens in winters is sometimes the windshield where the driver sits, the windshield gets some frost over it, and the visibility gets reduced. USBRL rail link that connects Udhampur to Baramulla, and this small section of Katra to Sangaldan. It was not open because the work was going on. There was a delay in the project because of various alignment issues, and because the matter was in court also. So now all of that has been resolved, and it is being thrown open for the public, and public will can now enjoy this seamless all-weather connectivity that will connect Jammu to Kashmir and Kashmir to the rest of the country. So it is a historical moment, and News 9 is going to be the part of that very historical moment.